Coach, you were, ano naman close yung game until that fourth, ano lang yung nangyari? That fourth.
Well, I think we ran out of gas. Their bench made it. What's up, Raymond? Their bench stepped up big time. Aaron, CB, Bong. Obviously we're a bit undermanned, pero no excuses. I still felt even if we missed some key guys, we still had enough to win. We couldn't score for stretches. I thought we missed a lot of open guys. We kind of forced the issue a lot when we could have made simple passes, but that's part of being a young team and some growing pains for us. We have to watch, we have to learn from that, and we just have to play as a team. Medyo nawala yun nung fourth quarter.
Coach, update lang kay Jason and kay Pagaliban. I think Kai didn't play as well.
Yeah, well, Kai's still nursing the ankle injury from the Titan game. Tyler also hasn't recovered, and he's been sick. He hasn't practiced for a week. Had some food poisoning. His foot was hurting. Tapos today, natuhod pa siya, knee-to-knee collision, and agad-agad nagmaga so he couldn't go. But I hope after 2-3 days it gets a bit better, and then maybe he can find a way to play next game. Oh, Luigi!
He's doing very well. He's bigs for a team in there, Perkins and Balungay, and then good job themselves.
I miss the Meralco guys.
Ayun nga, Coach, coming into this game, syempre, you have history rin sa Meralco. Your reflection lang on your time with them.
Oh, no, I really had a great time there. Obviously with Coach Norman as the head then, pero nabutan ko rin sila Coach Nenad when he was still a consultant. But I think I have a great relationship with a lot of the players, with the staff, with Coach Luigi. I mean, it's definitely fun to go up against them. It's all love. And then Jason Brickman, I've had the chance to coach him multiple times. But of course, it's more fun when he's on your team than against him. He really hurt us tonight. But yeah, I mean, I really have so much respect for the Meralco organization. Top class, Boss Bill, Mamintuan, grabe, Boss Paulo. I mean, it's all good, all love with that Meralco. I would have loved to beat them definitely, but it's not our time yet. Hopefully, we can meet them again if we make the playoffs. I don't know, man, but sana we can beat them one day.
Ano na, Coach? Pero firma ba next game? Would have been, sana, no?
Come on, man. These guys don't take it easy. You were listening to our huddle, man. I saw this move. No. You fight me now because you won, man. With their firma, they're number one in the PBA right now. They're 3-0. They have a great import. The addition of Gio Chu gives them a big guy they were sorely lacking. So we have to prepare. I mean, hopefully our guys will be able to recover by then and we can compete. But we have to get better. If not, it's going to be the same result. They're looking really good.
May chance ba na naka-recover na sila?
I would think so. Actually, I was thinking in my head, I thought Tyler would give it a try, but he was still feeling some pain. I think maybe the 3 more days before the game will give enough time. Si Perkins, we'll see. I'll find out tomorrow how banged up his knee is, but hopefully we can be complete.